guys, so today we're actually doing a fluffy slime tutorial, kind of. I don't know how to say it. I'm dumb, so I never trust what I say. But yeah, we're doing a fluffy slime tutorial. Not really, but we're just like showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. So first, what you will need is either a gallon of glue or a 4-ounce bottle or an 8-ounce bottle of glue. Then you will also need shaving cream, and then you will also need a bowl and spoon.
And optional.
Yeah, this is optional, but we will show you at the end because these are really, really cute. And then there's slime add-ins, and then you will need borax.
Very hot. Make sure it's hot water, but not too
Hot water, warm, cold, it doesn't really matter. But you have to have really, really, really hot water at first. And then you microwave it for like 2 minutes. Yeah, to where it like burns almost your skin. But don't actually do that. Don't try this at home. If you want to, you need a parent to help you. A parent. I know, we're done. What the heck are you doing? Whatever, she's being weird. And then if you don't have like enough borax that your slime won't come together, we also have like this is more borax, but we will only add this in.
do not use borax.
We will only add this in the water in the middle if it doesn't start coming together. So
Do
first,
not eat borax.
we are going to start with the bowl and spoon. Spoon right here. Don't mind this little thing. It's Cool Whip. We're weird. We have a lot of this stuff because we made a ton of strawberry cheesecake. A lot. On Thanksgiving, we had like 1,000 of them. But yeah, first you will need to pour in as much glue as you want. Doesn't really matter. Well, don't look at the lid because that's some of the slime add-ins. We're weird. My sister put that in. Well, actually, this is my lovely sister. Hi. And here's a fun fact. My birthday is March 6th. I will never tell you the year. But people say that like we should be twins, but we actually shouldn't because you know, like, we don't even look alike.
Like twin sisters.
I'm way uglier than her, so like I'm ugly and she's really pretty, but I'm not. I'm ugly.
And my birthday is
and her birthday is March 7th, which we will never tell you guys the year. You guys will just have to go on famous birthdays and find out. But we'll never tell you our real names. So. So yeah, back to the little slime thing. So you will need glue. It can be glue all, which we use glue all because it's actually an extra strong formula. So you will need to pour in the glue. This looks like milk. I'm literally eating cereal. It looks like this.
Do not drink or borax. I know borax looks like salt.
It looks like salt, but just don't put it in your water. On your eggs. I don't know who even eats salt on their eggs. I don't. I eat pepper.
I do.
And then you will need your Cremo shave cream. But yeah, you will need to shake it. Smash it on the table. Whatever.
You're very loud.
It's good and it smells like it sounds like it's farting, but it's actually not. More of this.
Yeah.
And then after you're done with your little shaving cream, you know, add a little bit more. It's really loud. Just add a little bit more. And then what you'll need is a spoon, well, your spoon that you had earlier. And you need to mix it in. This shaving cream is really really thick, so then it'll make it like a really fluffy slime. This looks like pancake batter too. Pancake batter and milk. Pancake batter. I cannot talk, so yeah. So yeah, it looks like more like pancake batter, but it doesn't really make a difference because there's milk inside of pancake batter. Yeah, whatever. Not everybody knows how to cook, but okay. I do. I know how to cook eggs, and that's all. And then what you'll need is make sure that all your shaving cream is mixed in. And whenever you do it, you go like this. Then you shake on the sides. And then you grab your borax. Special ingredient. But there's also, before you put in the borax, we have a special slime additive. They are little Rudies. So yeah, and then so what you do is you grab some, and then you mix it in, and then you add in your borax. And you can see this from Joe Debs. This is Carter Lake Road. He said there must have been 300 there. He lost count. You want there to be a lot of bubbles for some reason. I don't know why. Whenever you mix it in, there has to be a lot of bubbles. This is really messy. Just stick my hand in some glue. Ew. All of the glue is pretty much just all on my hands, but whatever. This is actually really good slime, just to let you guys know. This does look like a fail right now. Just have to wait a minute. Shut up, Ollie. Toad!
I'm the assistant to tell you if something looks good or bad.
You're not in charge of this, little woman. I'm way older than you.
1 day.
I'm a day older than you, so I'm still older than you. Brat. Brat.
Sports talking about the Talib suspension. That's basically more than $1 million fine. He's appealing.
And then a very perfect slime. And then
Drop some. Mom's gonna be so mad.
oh, whatever. She can suck it up. Suck it up. It's not gonna be such a big.
Mom, special shout out to you because sis just got through lunch.
True, but I don't care. More and more borax. A lot of
Too
it.
much borax.
No, it's my slime, not yours. I'm just kidding. It's actually hers. She just doesn't know how to make slime. She ruins it. She called the master over here. Come and make it for her. That's me. That's me. No! Don't touch. You can't touch it yet. Shut up. You're wrinkly, old grandma.
You're wrinkly.
This is actually a grandma slime tutorial. I'm just kidding.
It looks really wrinkly right now, guys.
Wrinkly like your face.
Like your face.
Like yours. Like yours. Shut up, get out of the video.
No.
Yeah. No, it's not. It's my vlog camera. It's my camera. I'm just kidding. I think I just ruined this. Just kidding. And then after kneading for a while, just knead.
Like 6 hours later after kneading for a
Yeah,
while.
more like 6 hours later. It will be non-sticky. Put it.
Wait, I can get
You can just go like this.
Screw that.
Don't worry, guys. The fruit is in here. This might not look like it because it's really weird. The slime fruit add-ins, like the fruit add-ins, they don't pop up. I wish you guys can smell this. This smells like cake batter.
Smells like perfume.
Perfume. Cake batter perfume.
It doesn't really smell like cake batter. It just smells like perfume.
Yeah, it kind of just smells like perfume. Smells like lemon, kind of. I don't know. I'm weird. I smell everything. Like, yeah. If it's not stretchy, then you just have to go like this.
Now it's time to add the lotion.
Yeah, time to add the lotion because we're actually like taking out the pump because the pump isn't working. It's like clogged for some reason. Probably because our little sister like eats the lotion. She like spits her saliva. She puts her saliva in here too. Make sure that you have a lot of lotion in here. Like not a lot, but enough that'll make it really like stretchy. It might like the lotion will get all over. I don't really care. Mom can clean. Mom cleans all the time after us because we don't like cleaning. Our life is more of like a slime. Our moms and our other sisters and our dad's life is more of like, oh no, clean up. And I'm like, what the heck are you staring at back there? We're just like,
the Broncos and the Raiders got in a fight.
oh yeah, I remember like the Broncos. He just like he like punched him in the face. You back off.
Let me touch it.
Broncos. I don't like the Broncos. I like the Raiders. I was laughing yesterday. She likes the Broncos.
My dad was.
So how do you want the Broncos to finish this season? That's our CenturyLink Sports Poll. 46%
but yeah,
of you don't care, while 36%
this will become like a really stretchy slime, maybe. I don't know. I don't really like it right now. Let me touch it. Like it feels really massaging now. No, not yet. Not yet. We need a little bit more lotion. I know it might get really, really sticky, but I don't care. No, don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Don't even touch it. Don't even touch it.
Bill O'Brien didn't like that pick as Baltimore is now one is last.
Wait, this is not the lotion.
I'm not. Slime is worth it.
Often makes that trip from back
Slime
east to
is
Denver,
worth
but
it.
this time
Slime is worth everything. I love slime. If I don't have slime in my life, like if slime was not a thing, I would just be like one of those freaks that are just always on their phones. It's not a freak, but like doing Musical.lys and doing Snapchats.
Yeah, right. I
Watching
don't even
videos.
have Snapchat.
And like making YouTube videos and watching YouTube videos. Oh my god, this is really, really sticky. Just so you guys know. And stretchy. Well, not really that sticky, but kind of like really, really sticky. I don't know. Stretchy. Like really, like it's sticking to me a lot. Get some borax, please. This is gonna be a slime fail. That's not borax, you weirdo. She just grabbed the powder and tried to put it in here. And I was like, that is not borax. Really? No.
Get it in the cracks.
Come on! Pour some more. Sorry, what?
I am not a professional. She is.
I am a slime professional, just to let you guys know. If you guys want to, you guys can order our slime in the bio, link in bio. At
Once we get to sell it.
yeah, once we. She just poured literally the borax inside of just an empty bowl.
I thought it would sound interesting. I thought we did it.
Oh god. Go turn off that TV. That's scaring me.
It's scary!
It's like, I'm pretty sure you guys have been listening to the TV more than us because we're very annoying.
Like, what the heck is that? Oh, that sounds interesting. What is she watching?
That's actually not us on the couch. Our grandpa is. Like, he came from New Mexico to come and visit, but he's staying at our house on the couch. Not on the couch, because we have, like...
He's sleeping.
Yeah, he's sleeping. Grandpa! He can't hear me. Because he's dead. I'm just kidding.
How dare you?
Oh. Okay.
I just touched my
Like,
slime.
yeah. Like, this is...
It's so sticky.
Why'd you even touch it? I don't know why you would touch my slime.
You said you were making it for me.
No, I
That's
didn't.
The whole
That was a
reason why I
joke. Hey,
made it.
Angelique.
No.
Well, that's not her actual name, but I'm just calling that. I will never tell you our real name.
Our real names. It looks like that.
You guys will never find out something that's really, really weird about us. Well, I might tell you, like, at the end of the video. Why did you just do that?
It looks like milk.
She's very annoying. Just to let you guys know.
I'm the younger sister.
She's always going to be annoying. Her whole life. She's so stupid. She's acting like a freaking kindergartner. She's acting like she doesn't know how to tie her shoes. Today, she had
I had on slippers.
No, you did not. You liar. You just don't want to admit it. But yeah, we were at our auntie's house this morning, and well, yeah, we have school, but we stayed at our auntie's house last night. Only me, her, and our other older sister. But yeah, we stayed at our auntie's, and she had our auntie tie up her shoes because she was too lazy to bend down. Like, you guys know how
my back.
You guys know how, like, you get those, like, really sharp back pains? Like, whenever you
I
bend
said I
over.
broke my back.
But she does. She didn't actually break her back. But here is an actually really funny story. Whenever she was little, she fell off of the roof of our shed out in the back. We can't go out there because it's really creepy. I don't like going out in our backyard, but yeah. She fell off of the shed, and she thought that she broke her neck, but she didn't. We were just, like, joking around. And literally, she scared the crap out of us. Literally so bad. I got so scared. Like, I started literally crying because she was acting stupid and retarded.
I found a strawberry.
She wanted us to seem like she was dying. Like she'd die or something. But she didn't. She was acting retarded. Yeah, this is a really bad swirl, just to let you guys know. We've been doing this video for 18 minutes, just to let you know. I would make a slime bubble if I had, like, a bigger area to do it on. But I just don't. Just add that in here. Freaking brat. Fall off the chair. You will break your back. I'll make you break your back. Stop. And then after a while, I made my own slime. Mine's actually kind of way better than hers.
But it's my smelly.
Yeah.
It feels like fresh.
We like got the same slime kind of, but mine.
Except yours looks more colorful.
Yeah, because she took out all the fruit and put it in my slime. You little brat.
No, I switched up our slimes.
What?
I switched up our slimes.
No. I was playing with my slime right now. How could you switch it up?
It feels like marshmallows.
Literally. Okay, I'll do a little montage right now. You know, do you guys even know what a montage is? A montage is whenever you do like a slow-mo, a really cool slow-mo pic. Like, not a pic, but a video. Like say that like you do it musically, like you know how people just do like the little hair flip, like that. You guys know?
It's marshmallows.
Yeah, you guys know how we do that little thingy.
So Miranda sings, "It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die."
I'm so mommy, I'm gonna die. No, I'm not Miranda sings. I'm not Miranda sings. Stop calling me that. You big old butt. You know what you need to do? You need to go grab a Pop-Tart out of the kitchen and fart in it. Okay? Stop calling me Miranda sings. This is my voice. Stop. Okay. I'm gonna change my Miranda sings voice. Ready? Hi. Okay. Yeah, it died. Comment down below if you're a Jake Paul or a Logan.
No, if you're a guava juicer
Or if you're a guava juicer, a low gangster, or a Jake Pauler. I'm a Jake Pauler.
I'm a guava juicer. Guava juice for life.
Jake Pauler for life. I actually have a piece of his merch upstairs somewhere. I don't know. Or upstairs.
I want.
Oh no, I actually
merchandise.
like downstairs. I just got a new bedroom, so I live in the basement, which it's really big down there. But yeah, like
Whatever.
I have the biggest room
I
in the
think
house.
Mom and Dad fell asleep.
So do I. But
Whatever. We're just making fun.
at least Joseph is still awake.
But
Do you even remember who Joseph is? It's our uncle, you know that.
Yeah, he's upstairs.
Yeah, no, he's downstairs in the movie theater. It's not really a big movie theater, it's just like, there's like some really, really cool massaging, little reclining couches, chairs, whatever they're called. Yeah,
This
they're
has been a
downstairs. We have
21-minute video.
we have like 80 freaking thousand chairs. We have like, so you guys know how like
Poopy.
a real movie theater is, like the front row, and then there's like the hall, like not the hallway, just like the aisle for like handicap, for like wheelchair people to get through, like the front rows.
Oh, there's a strawberry in there.
We have that downstairs, but we only have like the back row part,
We only have like one handicapped person in our family, so we only
Yeah.
have one handicap.
and that's kind of me, because like I broke my leg the other day. I was at the gym, like not the like working out gym. I was at a gymnastics, and I fell off of the beam onto
Comment down below if you guys do gymnastics.
but yeah, I was on the beam and I fell off of the beam, but it was like an outside gymnastics competition, and yeah, I was on the beam and I fell off onto the concrete, I mean, and it like my leg literally just like this is like my leg, this is my leg, this is my leg, this is a rock on the concrete, and this is my leg.
Or is this so liquidy?
Like it just went like this, and then my leg just split. Like my bone just split out of nowhere.
Because you fell.
Because I fell.
Why the freak would you?
And then
Why the freak would you say out of nowhere?
And then like now,
It's so
Now I have
floppy.
but I can still walk,
It's
Luckily.
floppy, guys.
and I can still do gymnastics too.
It's impossible.
I can still do like the splits. It's just that like my front leg that goes in the front, which that's my broken leg. It like the cast mainly shows. Your slime is like way better than mine for some reason. You just ruined it. Look, she ruined it. It's like a freaking octopus.
It's so octopusy. It's an octopusy.
You realize what you just said?
No.
Good.
Octopus. octopus with one strawberry in it. I found a strawberry on the table, so I took it.
Octopus ate the strawberry.
I stole a strawberry from the store. I ate it with the waffle. I put Nutella on the strawberry.
Oh, I love
and
Nutella.
I ate the waffle.
I wish we still had more
I sold
Nutella.
the Nutella to a dog. He pooped it
Look,
out.
it's a
and-
guava fruit.
I sold the Nutella to a dog. He he pooped it out and gave it to a moose. The moose ate it and he farted it out.
Huh? I don't get what you just said, but okay.
I stole a strawberry from the store.
Yeah, I get.
I
You always
put
do that.
Nutella on the strawberry.
Why'd you
I
just fart?
ate it with the waffle. I gave
What
the,
waffle? Where the freak did you
I
get
ate
a waffle?
the
Did you get it from 11? You get it from 11 on Stranger Things?
I only ate the waffle, so I gave the strawberry to a dog.
The
The
dog,
dog
gave
The dog
Gave.
pooped it out and gave it to a moose, and then he farted it out.
and then the moose.
25 minutes of recording. We're just spending time. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. So comment down below if you liked it. If it helped you at all, I don't think it would help.
I don't think it would help at all because we were
Thank
just like
you,
messing
and
around.
Bye.